Hi, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax Lake Ozarks, and I'm excited to introduce to you the 2018 Sea Ray SLX 350 with outboards. This boat's equipped with triple 300s and a joystick docking system. So come with me as we show you this unique boat on the water. The advantage to outboards on this boat, especially here at Lake of the Ozarks, is being able to use it 365 days a year. At the back of the boat, we have this incredibly large and comfortable lounge seat that's big enough for 4 adults, and you have radio controls back here in the back, as well as an area for a cooler. We make our way into the cockpit. Wonderful entertaining area. You've got a grill, a stainless steel fridge right here, trash can, and of course a sink. Plus you have enough room to entertain several people. And what's really unique about this boat is the ability of this port side passenger seat to spin around. Now everybody is included in the conversation. As we sit at the helm, you've got great visibility. Your line of sight is great. We've got these bolster seats here. Of course, it's equipped with the Raymarine Hybrid Touch. But the unique thing about this boat is this docking system. The joystick docking system allows you to drive this with the joystick, so maneuvering around tight spaces is as easy as can be. Plus this boat's equipped with active trim, so you literally just drive the boat and it trims the boat for you. The boat is equipped with the upgraded V-berth, so you do have AC and heat as well as TV down below. One of the great features about this boat is storage. You've got storage back here, you've got storage up here, we have dedicated cooler storage here, we also have dedicated cooler storage back here in the cockpit. But the hatch, the storage that you gain because we don't have the inboard outboard motors, is incredible. As we look into the hatch, you've got your dedicated storage for your cockpit table, which this is a very large table. But look at the room inside to put all of your towels, life jackets, bumpers, anything that you need to carry on board the boat, you can store it back here. Again, this is Chandler Daggett with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video. If you'd like to make an appointment to come see this in person or take a test drive, give us a call, 573-365-5382, or you can check us out online at www.marinemax.com. Thank you, and we'll see you out on the water.